All right, so I had to go to the hardware store, and like I said, this bolt here, the threads are all boogered up on it. But that is a metric bolt. It's 14 millimeter coarse thread. And you see how long it is. So I'm guessing that what it screws up into in the car is probably boogered up like that. So what I done is I went and got me a longer bolt, same thread, slightly longer, got a lock washer for it. It was like $4 and some change, and then 28 cents for the washer. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this bolt here and about 3 to 4 threads down, I'm gonna turn it into like a, you've seen a tap and die set. If you haven't, it's like a bolt that they've grinded on it and cut it, like 4 places they've cut them, basically cut into the threads, so that way when you run it up into something that's all boogered up, it recuts the threads. That's what I'm gonna do, is I'm gonna come down about right there. I'm gonna grind it 3 or 4 places. I'll show you what it looks like when I get done, and then I'm gonna run it up in there and it'll rethread it, and it should tighten down that way. And if not, then we'll have to take it completely apart and drill it and put a bigger bolt in it, and that's gonna be great. Hopefully we don't have to do that, but anyway.